Bear Snores On in a cave in the woods. His deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter, sleep a great brown bear. What is this word?
Cuddled.
Cuddled in a
Heap.
with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day. He sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl. And the night sounds grow. But the bear snores on. A itty bitty mouse. Peter tiptoe crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too dank, too dark. So the light tweaks with a small hot sparks. Hi, kitty. What you doing, kitty? The cold pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. Hi, kitty. Hi. Two glowing eyes. Sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And the hare hops in. Hop, hop. "Oh, my mouse," says hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse steps, bee slurps, hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scooches by, snuffs at the air. Smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they mumble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Shoo, shoo, shoo. A gobbler and a mole tunneled up ate through the floor. Then they ran and they reddened.
Flutter.
Flutter and
Through.
through the door. Molar. Is it called molar?
Mole.
Mole. Mole. Mothers.
Mutters.
I said mothers. What night? What a storm twitters, and everybody cutters in the great bear's den. Cutters. Help me. They tweet and they wait. They tweet and they glitter. Gitter. Titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. I think that's the bear.
No, the bear's sleeping.
But that looks like the bear.
That's the other character.
Oh. In a cave in the woods, a slumber-bearing bear sleeps through the party. His very own lair. Hare snooks, fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear he blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freeze. Raccoon! And the bear wakes up. The bear, what is this word?
Gnarls.
What?
Gnarls.
Snarls. And he snarls. The bear roars. And he rumbles. The bear jumps. And he stomps. The bear growls. And the bear grumbles. You have snuck my lair. You all have had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he
whimpers
and he
moans. He wails and he growls.
And the bear bubblers on.
I can't see.
And the bear
blubbers on.
Mouse squeaks. Don't fret. Don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gups. The bear gobbles. He sights with
delight.
Then he spins
tall tails
through the buzzy
blustery night.
buzzy night.
blustery night.
Blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear
Dawn.
Bear can't sleep. They're having fun. But his friend snored on. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe and like my page. Bye.